Unlock the secret to a cleaner, more efficient Photoshop workflow by mastering the art of layer grouping. Ever feel overwhelmed by a sea of layers in your Photoshop project? Today, we're diving deep into how to group those layers, transforming chaos into organized clarity. First, let's identify the layers you want to consolidate. You can select multiple layers by clicking on the first layer, then holding down the Control key on Windows or Command key on Mac while clicking on subsequent layers. See how those layers are now clearly selected? This tells Photoshop you're ready to take the next step. Now, head down to the bottom of your Layers panel. Near the Adjustment layer icon and the New Layer icon, you'll find a small folder icon. Click on that folder icon. Boom! Instantly, your selected layers are neatly tucked away inside a new group, which is represented by that folder. To make it even easier to find what you need, double-click on the default group name, usually Group 1, and rename it to something descriptive. This could be anything from background elements to character details. Organization is key. Now, this entire group can be treated as a single unit. You can move it, duplicate it, or even hide it with a single click. Need to apply a single effect to all these layers at once. Just select the group itself, and any adjustments or filters you apply will affect everything inside. This streamlines your editing process immensely, especially for complex designs where you might want to scale, rotate, or adjust colors for a whole section of your artwork simultaneously. Mastering layer grouping in Photoshop is a fundamental skill that will save you time, reduce frustration, and ultimately, elevate the quality of your creative output. Start grouping today and experience the difference.